Okay, this is homework and remembering Unit 1, Lesson 8. Going to go over a couple problems today on the homework side. Okay, number 1. We have 1/3 minus 1/7. Notice we do not have common denominators, so we need to come up with common denominators. Anytime we add or subtract, thirds and sevenths are not equal sized pieces. Thirds are much larger than sevenths, so we need to make them equal pieces so then we can add. So to do that, we are going to multiply the third by the sevenths on the denominator and the numerator. So we're taking the opposite denominator, which was 7, multiplying it here. So our new fraction here is 1 times 7 is 7, 3 times 7, 3 times 7, which is 21. And we're going to use that minus sign still. Now we're going to take 3 and times it by 7 over here, so we're multiplying it by the opposite denominator. Whatever we do on bottom, we must do on top. So we're multiplying by 3. If we do not do that, they will be unequivalent fractions, so that will not be equivalent to 1/7. By multiplying the top by 3 and the bottom by 3, it's still equal to the original fraction of 1/7. So 1 times 3 is 3. 7 times 3 is 21. So now we subtract. Our denominators are the same size pieces now, so we can just subtract across the numerators. 7 minus 3, which is 4, over 21. And that's your answer for number 1 on homework. Okay, number 2. This one says 4/5 minus 8/15. Now, if we use the strategy from problem 1, we would multiply 5 times 15 and get a large number, and 15 times 5 and get a large number, but we don't want to have that many pieces in our fraction. So we're just going to find the common multiple, and we know that 5 goes into 15, so we don't even have to change 8/15. But we need to change this 5 to make it have 15 pieces. So in order to do that, 5 times 3 will give us 15 on the bottom, and we must times by 3 on the top, keep it equivalent. So 4 times 3 is 12, and 5 times 3 is going to give us our equivalents, or our common denominators. And now we can subtract 12 fifteenths, 12 fifteenths minus 8 fifteenths, which will give us our final answer. Now that we have equal sized pieces of 15 on both, we can do 12 minus 8. That's 4/15. So on this one, a little bit different. You only had to change one of the fractions, because 5 can be multiplied into 15 evenly. So 15 is a multiple of 5. Okay? So you have to be able to recognize that too. If you have any questions, please send me an email, and good luck on your homework tonight.